You know what that means, right? I think it's time for another unboxing. Damn. So we haven't done one of these in a long time, and I've been waiting to do this for almost a year now. We ordered this almost a year ago. I think we might have even teased it in a video before. Where we're like, we're not even gonna open it. You're gonna have to wait until now. So in order to finish this thing over here, we have to get this unboxed. And yeah, let me see if I can, how long I can struggle to open this up. Like the most exciting part I've been waiting to put onto this car.
What is this exactly? What could be in there?
Cardboard.
More flaps. Oh, let's
take
see.
a look at it.
Oh my lord.
Oh my lord, baby Jesus. So, it is an intercooler. I've been wanting to put this on. We've had it in a box. I think I ordered this like in July of last year.
Whoa.
And yeah, we're barely going to install it now. So, see how I can get this out without running any of the fins. You know, because we are no winning. I don't even know what we're going to use this for, but I guess we'll figure it out. Okay, you ready? Because I'm not.
Hey, those are instructions. We need that.
Okay.
Ooh. Ooh, what's that? Is it okay? No damage? Wow.
Yeah. This is exciting. And it's
Whoa.
freaking heavy as hell compared to the freaking OEM one.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's actually like I'm weak right now.
Wow.
So I like this. Look, we're gonna put it down and then we'll compare between the OEM one and this one. Look at that. Holy crap. That is a huge difference. Alright, so here we got the OEM one and here we got the aftermarket one.
Well, it's got like the...
Yeah, this one's all silicone over here. It even looks like, I mean, it could be that the diameter over here of this, I don't know, maybe you can get an angle this way. The diameter over here looks thicker than the diameter over here. And the overall thickness.
Let's measure. You got tape measure?
I do, but my hands are full.
Okay, cool.
So you hold, how about you hold that one and hold this one?
Okay.
How about we do it like that?
Tape measure. Let's see if we can find a tape measure. Ow!
Boom!
Oh, okay.
Second try. Okay. Let's see.
Oof.
What is that?
What is that? 3 and something? Yeah, 3.5.
Okay. It's still 3.5. Wow.
Oh no, but the fins. There's a gap. There's a...
Yeah, there's maybe, look, let's remove, hold on. Let's remove about 3/4 of an inch here.
Okay, and this side too?
What does it look like? Another half?
Nah.
Quarter? So basically remove a whole inch.
Wow.
Thickness.
Dang. So it would be what? Okay. So it takes the full...
All the way across.
Yeah, nice.
Cool. So now...
Wow.
I
this
think
is silicone?
Yeah, this is all silicone. This seems more flexible than this crap over here. This is like my worst, like my nemesis. Like the one thing I hate more than anything on this damn car is putting on this piece here onto the turbo. Like I wish nothing more than for Subaru to change this because it is retarded. And here I am. I'm gonna struggle even more with another top mount intercooler. So this is what we're gonna do. Blue car, top mount intercooler. Silver car, front mount intercooler. That's the plan. So you already seen us. We put equal length headers over here, unequal length headers over here. So we're trying different things, different cars. So now that we've been able to slightly compare these things, this one's actually, I wish we can like weigh the differences because this one's freaking heavy.
It looks good. It matches your shirt.
Alright, so let's put it on.
Like super clean.
I think, what did I bet yesterday? That it was gonna take only 45 minutes? I'm estimating between 3 to 4 hours. And I will say, you'll see why in a little bit. So let me get it going.
Hey, what comes in the box, dude?
Bro, I don't even know.
I'm gonna get it and go back.
Alright. This coupler here, obviously, boop, right there. I don't think this is a gasket because it looks like, I mean, it could be a gasket.
No, yeah, it is.
Alright, a gasket. It comes with zip ties. I don't know why we need the zip ties. It comes with a couple stickers. It comes with a hose. I don't know what we're using the hose for. Oh, I know what we're using the hose for. We're not gonna need the hose, and the reason why is because we have the air oil separator.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's got clear pictures. Wow.
Yeah,
that's really good.
It's like you could have printed this from home. Like it's like regular paper, regular like.
I don't have a printer, dude.
Well, like I was. This is for that part is only for. We have an air oil separator, so it doesn't matter. So
all right.
This is the hose that they provided. Yeah. I guess, but I don't think we need it.
We're probably gonna need it.
I'm gonna hold on to it. But I don't think we need it. So, let's go. Oh wow, we already have a lock.
What happened?
Oh, here we go. It's already on. It's already on.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, I'm about to loosen up a little.
Awesome.
Bit. First part 1 done. Part 1 done.
Nice.
Make sure the process west is 100% visible.
They didn't have the gold hose clamps?
Alright, you ready for the struggle?
Okay, good.
Are you ready? Because I'm not. Damn. Damn. Okay. Really, dude? You had to put the tripod like right. Scoot it over. I need to get in there. Round 2. We've already failed once. Okay. Let's see how.
And
Yep, it's already a fit.
round 3. What do you have to do first?
I don't know. Wow. Round 4. I said 4 hours. We're on pace for 4 hours to put this one intercooler on. So let's see if I can struggle just a little bit more. Let's see how we're gonna put this mamalone.
Fitting back here.
Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna have to put that in first, and then here, let me do it. We'll do like this. Like, here, grab the little mount. That's how I've been grabbing it through. We're gonna put this in. Try number 6. Number 8?
I don't know. I think it's 7.
All right.
7 or 8.
7 or 8. Losing it already. Here. Yeah, that side. I don't know how. I don't think we'd be able to do this. I don't think I'd be able to do this alone, to be honest. And we're back to losing. Actually, there's a one. That one's done.
Does my shirt come out or not?
Maybe Donut Media can support us one day.
Oh man.
What else I got left? Remove that hose. I'm honestly surprised that it only took 4 hours. Sorry, 1 hour, 30 minutes, something. It took time, but less time than I expected.
Yeah.
So we got that thing on. 8 tries, 9 tries. We lost count. We weren't even counting, but counting. The hose clamp right there. That one right there. We had to call in a professional expert specialist to put that on for us because our hands didn't fit. So now the only thing we got left is to finish the air oil separator now that the intercooler is back on. So all we gotta do is put this hose right there. So, and then put this little thingy on it. So I'm gonna cut it with my handy dandy
Hose cutter.
Whatever the thing's called. And I'm gonna cut it right about here. And then we're gonna use my favorite tool of all time.
What's that, Ralph?
My favorite tool of all time.
The burping system.
You mean the fly swatter?
Yeah. Tell me about it. Why?
The struggle. Okay, what were we talking about earlier? The hose clamp? Where?
Hose clamp. Oh.
This hose clamp right here?
Tool first that I need. I hope it's an 8. This hose clamp right there. It's right there.
Dang. It's on now.
It ain't going anywhere, that's for sure. But yeah, there's the reason why it was such a pain was because of the damn air oil separator and the spider web that comes along with it. Yeah, you know, it may be saving your engine, but it's also causing a headache.
We got the spacers on too as well.
It's fine. We'll figure it out. It always works out. All right, let me get my favorite of all favorites. The bucket of knowledge.
Nice.
The bucket of knowledge. And let me get my other favorite tool. Let me get my other favorite tool.
Yeah.
10,000 flies later.
That's it? 10,000?
Well, the bag catch is like 20,000.
Oh.
That bag is pretty sweet. Look at this. Look
What?
at this. There's one right there. 2. They want to die on my car today.
I think it's so cool. They gotta land on it.
Look right there. They love it. They love dying here.
Right there.
They love
I
dying.
think they're taunting you.
They want to show up to die. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright.
Can't concentrate.
I don't remember which ones it was. Did we mark it?
I just left it out loose. Eh?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's see if we can do this without any flies.
Alright, bees, come on.
Okay. So you put this little dongle there. You put this like it's a radiator cap. Then you put this thingy here. Then we fill it with your favorite juice.
Mountain Dew. Mountain Brew.
Mountain
Straight from the Rockies.
Oh, it was very thirsty. Very thirsty. It's very thirsty. I haven't much water in a couple months. Okay.
Is it going?
Okay.
Oh, and kick it a little bit, like jiggle it. Oh yeah. One more for me.
So we're back. Had a slight scare for a little bit. Make sure you check all your plugs. It's the only thing I can give you an advice. We forgot to plug in, what is it, cylinder 2? This one plug right there. It was vibrating a little off. We already burped. Yeah, that one. We already burped the cooling system, which is my favorite part. So in a previous clip, we showed the temperature in this area. I'm gonna get the temperature gun again and see where it's at. I'm just curious to know, does it get the heat shields? Wow. Okay, about 110. Let's check the intercooler. About 107. This has already gotten to temperature. It hasn't been driven, it's just been parked and ran until it got to temperature, but that's a pretty significant difference. I think the last time we were like at 300 or something. So
It was at 500 actually.
or like 500, yeah. I mean, we're talking about a crazy difference. So that was the heat wrap, that was the turbo blanket, that was the heat shield, a bunch of gold film on everything, a brand new intercooler, pylonic spacers, that intake, a throttle body thermal gasket. I mean, we did almost everything we could to get the temperature down. But I will tell you that there is more to come still. We have still new videos every Friday. We are continuing with the installs. This car is almost done, so we can take this one out of the garage and then move that one into the garage and start working on that one. You already saw a video where we unboxed E85. So silver one's gonna get E85. We're gonna make this one daily driver for a little bit until the silver one's done, and then you know we'll see what happens after that. But hope you like this video. The intro was a little bit better. The outro was a little bit better. The content was a little bit better now that I had some help. Makes things a little bit easier. But let us know what you think. Hopefully you like it. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please help us out. We haven't done very many in a while, so we need some help. Help us just go and subscribe and you know
Spread the word.
Spread the word as much as possible. And yeah, thanks for watching.